Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will show how to plot Lollipop with ggplot2 in R. So we know Lollipop is actually just a flat, rounded candy on the end of a stick. And in data visualization, a lollipop plot is a combination of a line and a dot. So it's like a shape of a lollipop. And it can show the relationship between numeric and a categorical variable, just like a bar plot. A lollipop can be used at a place where a bar plot and a scatter plot both are required. So this plot can visualize the problem better and takes less ink space than traditional bar plots. This is just like very simple lollipop, like a bar but very thin bar. So next we will show how to plot lollipop in R. We use ggplot2 package. Then the lollipop plot can be implemented with a segment, GOM segment function with a point function. So the basic syntax is ggplot with a data frame and the AES inside X and Y variables, then GOM segment and GOM point. And you can also set the label using GOM label function with the name and values and label, value and color and large X and size. So next we will show several examples in RStudio. So first we create a data frame with two columns, name and value. Then we load ggplot2 package. Then a simple lollipop can be performed with ggplot with this data frame, and X is name and Y is value, these two columns variable, and GOM segment function inside X is also name, and with X end also name, and Y is 0, the Y end is value. Then GOM point size is 4. Let me show how it is going. So this is a simple lollipop with a default setting with a color. So Y value, X is X represents the variable name and Y represents the variable value in this data frame. And next example shows how to set the labels in lollipop. So GOM segment, this is same as before. Then point, same as before, and we set the label function with the name, then value, this is X and Y, and label, also use a round function with a number, then we set the color and the large X, then with the size 4. Sorry. So this lollipop with the label added for each point. And the third example, we use more customization with the segment, we set the color and the size, and the point also set the color and the size. So this lollipop is more illuminating with the green for the point and red for the segment. Thanks for watching.